Hello everyone. I'm right now in this beautiful Khajjiar valley. Can you see? There's this lovely Khajjiar lake behind the stretch of mountains and the beautiful pine trees. Isn't that beautiful? Let me show you around something more. Okay? Okay. So I'm just turning a 360-degree view, and here's what you see. There's a guest house there, and a lot of monkeys can be seen around. This place is, guys. This place is really famous for. So me and my daughter just took a ride. I'll share photos of our ride with you. And right now behind me you can see these hills and a lot of people. And yes, this place is known for this Puri guest house, and a lot of people that you can see behind me are busy taking tea and snacks. They say Khajjiar is the mini Switzerland in Himachal Pradesh, and you can see before me Chalo Chamba, I think, or Chalo Chal should be Chamba, and you can see a whole lot of cars around. There you can see the Khajjiar lake. You can see them basking in the sun, and you can also see, you know, a lot of people playing with children playing with frisbees. Here you can see a female sitting on the mat there, and the beautiful restaurants and hotels around.